Welcome back to CADSTATION. In today's tutorial, we are going to make this bench. So let's start from the new sketch and the part. And one more thing, let's close this. Now we are going to move to the front plane or the right plane. We have two options. I'm going to select right plane, sketch. Select the line and start from the origin and just make a rough sketch because we will give them relations and the dimensions and that will counter this. So at this time you have to just make a rough sketch like this. Now we are going to give some relations. Select this line second by pressing the control and select the third line. Now next is you have to make the relation equal from here and done. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These all four lines are vertical. Now is my dimension. This is going to be of 5 mm or you can say 5 inches. It's up to you which system you are using. This is 50. And now next is this is again same as 5. From let's select from this point to this point. This is going to be of same dimension 50 mm. Next is let's say from you can give the dimension as these two line and the angle is 165 degrees and okay, one more thing you can say let's okay smart dimension. We just forget to give the dimension here as from here to here. This is also 50 mm. So now select these 2 points and try to give the relation horizontal. And I guess all dimensions are mentioned. Now we are going to features extrude boss base. Select the um okay, select the blind. This is going to be of 10 mm and okay, right at this side and done. Uh okay, let's wait. I'm going to blind and 5 mm. This becomes a square pipe. Now next is a simple sketch. Select this one and sketch. Now again go to a rectangle. From here you have to make a square one here and one here. Now next is Control 7 for isometric view. Features extrude boss base. And this is going to be of not the 50, uh, 250. And let's make it of 200. Yeah, that's okay. Now next is we are going to mirror. If I just go to mirror and select this one, that's the mirror face or plane, and then I just want to mirror features. I want to mirror this, but it's not showing me. That's why we are making any mistakes. So for this, I'm going to reference geometry plane, and this is the important step that you have to follow. Uh, I want to create a right plane at a distance of 100 and okay. Now next is we are simply going to where is mirror and face or mirror features to mirror. I want to mirror the first extrude that's like here and done. Okay, one more thing. This is extrude boss base we have made of 200. Okay, Let's reduce it to 190. Okay, it's done. Now next is we are going to hide this one, and after that select the face sketch. Now simply a rectangle, one and two. Skip, select this one and make the relation equal. Now this line is going to be equal. Now next is from here to the top, distance is 3 mm. Distance between these two should be 5 mm. Now next is we are going to give it as 15 mm. And okay, let's make it of 16 mm. So the gap between here will reduce. From here to here, this is going to be not 85, the 5 mm. And the same for this side, it's also going to be 5 mm. And okay, now you can give the relation as this line and this line is going to be collinear. And okay, features extrude boss base, select the 5 mm and done. Now next is we are going to select the face sketch, and after that same rectangle from here, one, two, and three. Okay, next we are going to select these three. These three are equal and collinear, and press the control 1, 2, and 3. All are equal. Now next, smart dimension. From here to here, the gap should be on the 5 mm. Distance between the two is 3 mm. These two is 3 mm. And control 7 for isometric view. Now smart dimension. Select any of the, okay, wait, any of the line, and this is going to be of 15 mm. Okay, done. Control 7 for isometric view, but we are going to need it of 7 mm. So the sketch will take out from the back wall. And okay, one more thing that we left is the gap between here. This is the 5 mm that we put on last sketch. Here is also 5 mm and done. Features extrude boss base. Similarly, this is also going to be of 5 mm and okay, this is 5 mm and done. Now control 7 for isometric view. We are going to flit. You can use the chamfer. Let's see the flit. For the flit, let's select, first reduce it to 1 mm and select this boss and this boss. Okay, wait, we can't select. We have to select the top faces only. Okay, let's increase it to 2 mm and that's look good. Done. Control 7 for isometric view. It's also in isometric view. The next we can do is we can change its appearance, and for this, okay, if you directly change the appearance from here and select any color, this will change the appearance of whole model. I want to take, let me show you again. Um, it should be here. Okay, here. If you just see on this model, the pipes, the square pipes are of black color, and uh, these five elements are of reddish color. That's mean this I just put this color that this is made up of iron, and this is of wood. So To make this like this appearance, we are going to do some changes here. Um, let's select the boss extrude and boss extrude by pressing the control. Okay, let's wait this one and mirror, and I'm going to appearance metal and the iron. Let's find the iron. Here is the iron, and cast iron or meat iron, it's up to you. I'm going to select the cast iron. Color is going to be of black. Okay, wait a minute, again same mistake. Select these three components appearance, and this is going to be of black. Done. Now next is we have to select remaining three elements, and we are going to select the a wood. So we can find the wood. uh, I think it's here, yeah. From the organic wood, and I'm going to select the polish arc 2D. Okay, now next is again select to change its color, and I guess I've selected one of them and done. You can see our model is ready. You can change it. So here our tutorial is going to be done. If you are new to CADSTATION, kindly subscribe the CADSTATION and hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.